Beware of illegal video cassettes. Check whether this video cassette carries a genuine label hologram. Video piracy is a crime. Do not accept it. Demand a genuine cassette from your video store. Poor quality illegal video cassettes reduce your viewing pleasure and jeopardize future film production. When in doubt, telephone the Federation Against Copyright Theft, FACT, on 0181 568 6646, or in the case of the Republic of Ireland, 01 6777 071.
Tonight, he's brought his children
Don't leave your seats.
to the most exciting game of the year. But now, the arena is under attack.
What is your objective?
$1,700,000,000.
And he has more to lose than anyone.
If you're not gonna pay, I'll get my daughter.
Jean-Claude Van Damme. Sudden death.
You lose, pal.
You're a very good observer, Cole.
We have a very advanced program, something very different.
An opportunity to reduce your sentence.
And possibly play an important role in returning the human race to the surface of the Earth.
Gets agitated, starts screaming about virus.
Take him down!
Totally irrational, totally disoriented, doesn't know where he is.
What year is this?
What year do you think it is?
1996.
That's the future, James. Do you think you're living in the future?
I'm simply trying to gather information to help the people in the present trace the path of the virus.
We're not in the present now.
This is a place for crazy people.
For all I know, you're crazy as a loon.
He's sick. He thinks he comes from the future.
5 billion people died in 1996 and 1997.
Are you going to save us, Mr. Cole?
Monkey.
The army of the 12 monkeys, they're the ones who spread the virus.
Monkey.
He's been living in a meticulously constructed fantasy world, and that world is starting to disintegrate. He needs help.
Well, you won't think I'm crazy when people start dying next month.
You want me to, don't you? Get you out.
I can help you.
You're a trained psychiatrist. You know the difference between what's real and what's not.
I have to contact James.
Yeah. Who's James?
Sent me to the wrong year.
You had a bullet from World War I in your leg. How did it get there?
I don't know.
The thing mutates. We live underground.
You said that I had delusions. You said you could explain it.
I can't!
We're all monkeys.
James, no!
I want the future to be unknown.
Can't hide from them. Don't even try.